what we've got here is a little pollinator pit stop. We're going to have a workshop on this later on into spring, but what we're trying to do here is we're trying to hydrate all your little pollinators. Now, it's not only bees that can pollinate, but it's other insects and other little critters that can also pollinate. You've got your butterflies, you've got dragonflies, you've got all different kinds of little animals. Basically anything that can get some pollen on their little feet and move to another bush and pollinate another flower of the same type is going to be a pollinator. Well, these pollinators get thirsty, especially the bees and the butterflies, because they travel long distances. And in the heat of the day, they need to hydrate. Sometimes you'll see them, unfortunately, dying in a puddle or something because they drowned. So what this is for is just a little pit stop for them in between their pollinating, and they will actually stop, and larger butterflies like swallowtails, they'll get on top of the bigger rock and use their tongue to get water. Now the smaller insects like flies, believe it or not, they also can pollinate. And then you've also got your bees and smaller little critters that can't get water from this size. So then you put little pebbles, you can put marbles, you can put anything you want and keep the water really low, enough that they can just sit on this, just kind of like a little island, and then they'll drink. And this way they don't drown and they get hydrated, and they'll move back and forth in your garden.